Well, I'd like to give you a warm welcome back to this guy's garage. Today we're going to start a new segment called Hunting Tin. It's a favorite pastime of mine, so all these cars that I'll be highlighting are for sale at the moment, and you'll be able to find them on Kijiji. I'll leave links in the descriptions of these videos, and let me know what you think of the cars that I picked out, and any comments you might have. All right, so let's get started.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
So today's first pick of the litter is a 1968 Super B. It is priced at 7,500 Canadian dollars. So $7,500 Canadian will be roughly $5,200 US. This one's a bit rough, but it's a Super B. I think they call that patina these days. But it's mostly all together. I believe everything is there to put it back together, but this car is rough. This car would take some serious know-how to put this back together. So looks like there's doors comes with it. They're not showing anything on the bottom, which would make me leery to drive any distance. If I was in the area, I'd certainly have a look at it, but I wouldn't travel to go have a look at this. So let's see what the ad has to say. So 68 Super B needs total restoration, have ownership in my name, has its fender tag, car was a 4-speed with an 8 3/4, originally bench seat, green on green with white stripe, no motor or transmission, the car still has 4-speed pedals and steering box. This would probably make, I don't even know if it's good enough to be a donor, and the price, I don't know. Let's compare apples to apples, shall we? So here's another one that's for sale. So here's another car that's for sale. It's a 68 Coronet. My apologies. But as you can see, this car was probably a basket case, but there's a lot of metal work already done to this car. And as you can see here, somebody's storing it in their loving home. You know, you can see everything. I would definitely, because you know, project cars you can't take for a drive, so the one thing you need to know is what the measurements are. You need to take a measuring tape with you to make sure that the car is square, because you don't want to buy a car that's going to go down the road half-ass sideways. But you know, this car had for the price of it, you couldn't do the metal work that's been done to this car for the price of it, and it requires a certain skill set to put this car back together, but not, you know, when you consider metal work, and metal work being one of the most expensive things to do, this one's done. So you know, it's at a point where, you know, you start painting and putting it back together, which is still expensive. But you know, this would be a worthwhile project. And what's the money look like on this car? So it's $8,000 but $5,600 US, which would be a steal. You know, it is all there. Like this is a rolling 68 Coronet for all intents and purposes. So has disc brake conversion kit on the front. And by the way, I don't know who any of these people are. These are cars I picked up, just found at random when I was hunting for tin. So, you know, and the work looks solid. Like everything looks as it should. You know, this is halfway there. as far as restorations go. So this is a steal for this kind of money. And these look like a factory alloy wheel. So as far as being 68 or 69, if I had to pick between these two cars, I would definitely pick this one. Let me know what you think. So this car is in North Bay, Ontario. I'm not going to put in the phone number, but I will put in the link in the description. This car is for sale at the time of posting this video. So, like, comment, tell me what you think. And if you end up buying it, let me know. Because this is fixable, but it's nowhere near as close to being fixed as the other one. You would have to spend a lot of money on this. This is borderline basket case. You know, just as well to have no interior as to have that. But it comes with quarters, it comes with some sheet metal, so depending on what your dream was, I guess. So that's going to do it for this edition of This Guy's Garage. Hit the subscribe button right there. Catch another video right over here. Until the next time, this guy out.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.